Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to add either a family member or a friend to your Nintendo Switch online family membership. So the great thing about the family membership is you can add up to 8 different Nintendo accounts to that same online membership. So to do this, we're going to head on over to Nintendo's website, which I'll post a link to down in the description. What we want to do from Nintendo's website is log in to our Nintendo account. We can do that here by clicking log in the upper right-hand corner, and then I'm going to log in. And of course, I'm going to be signing into an existing account that already has a Nintendo Online subscription. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to enter in my Nintendo account email and password, and then I'm going to sign in. Now, if you're already logged into your Nintendo account, it'll just show you your Nintendo account username here in the upper right-hand corner. So we can click on that. And what I want to do is head on over to my Nintendo accounts information page. So what I'm going to do here over on the side is click on where it says Nintendo account overview. And what we can see right at the top of this page is our family group. So I'm going to click on that. And now what I want to do from my Nintendo accounts page is make sure I'm selected on family group, and then I'm going to create a family group, and I'm going to invite a user to this family member group. So I'm going to invite user. And of course, you should only invite Nintendo accounts of people you know to join your family group. So what I'm going to do is click where it says confirm. And now you need to start entering in the emails of the people that you want to add to your family group. So I'm going to enter in an email right here and then click submit. And an invitation has now been sent to the email address of the user that I had just entered in. So I'm going to take you over to that email to show you what that looks like. And essentially instantly I got this email sent, so I'm going to open it up. And in this email, to join the family group, I just have to click on this link. And then to confirm this, you have to sign into the Nintendo account. And now that I'm signed in, I'm going to click where it says join family group. And it says that I've now joined the family group. Now going back to my main Nintendo account, logged in, I can see from the family group tab that anybody that I've sent that invitation to and they've accepted, they'll show up in my family group area. I can add additional members, and I can also manage members in this group. As the admin, when you click on other group members' accounts, you can see different information here, but you can also remove family group members if you need to do that for whatever reason. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over how you can add family members to your family group for the Nintendo Switch Online membership. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.